have a blow at 8 o'clock around 100 meters from us. That these humbugs are very, very relaxed ones. Whenever they are hunting, they will come up and down more frequently, but they're just, you know, chilling. At this point, you can see fins as well under the water.
Wow.
No, I think it's gone down again. Oh, sorry.
Well, we definitely saw one tail. I don't know how about the second one. Sometimes they don't show us their tails, and then I'm just hoping that they're not going for such a long dive. Maybe the second one is still somewhere around us, or maybe they both decided to go down. They're just, you know, chilling. At this point, you can see the fins as well under the water.